Today I'm going to show you how to make these captions for my videos. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Beatrice and I make content around film, audio, and tech. And consider subscribing if that's something that interests you. Now onto the captions. So I edit my videos and make captions on Premiere Pro, but the concept is pretty much the same for any video editor out there. Alright, so we've got Premiere Pro here and we have our timeline, an edited timeline. Today I'm going to show you how to make these captions for my videos. We're just going to caption this one. First, you want to put up your text box over here, and the first word is today. And under Essential Graphics, we're going to pick the font that we want. I'm going to go with this one, set it to center, set it to center text vertically, and I'm going to go with 300. Now down here, set it at a color that you want. I'm good with that. Set the stroke to about like 20. We've got our text. Let's center it in the frame. I want to bring it down a little bit so that it's sort of there. Now that we've got the style of our text, we want to introduce some motion. So under the effect controls below the vector motion, we're going to go down to this one. So text today. We've got all our settings there. Scroll down to transform. And over here, we've got this stopwatch. It's a toggle animation. We got to click that. Make sure we're at the start of our timeline. And then we're just going to move 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. Change the scale to 120. That's what I do. You could do 130, up to you. Another 2 steps forward, and we're gonna go with 115. Now when we do that, we're gonna get a pop. Today I'm gonna show like that. Now that we've got our template for our captions, all we're gonna do is to duplicate that. Now on Windows, all you need to do is press down Alt. If you're on Mac, then press down Options key beside it, and there you go. That's another one. Now we just do this manually, which is to listen and then cut to the word. So today I'm gonna again drag it, show you, and then so on and so forth. Now, how do you edit this? You can go to this, select this, and then change it like that. Or you can go to the text tab. If you can't find that, go to Windows, and under Windows, there's the text tab. And under the text, you've got transcript, captions, and graphics. Go to the graphics tab, and it's gonna be easier for you to change there. I'll show you the final product. This is what it's gonna look like. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make these captions for my video. There you go. And a bonus is if you wanna highlight that certain word, just select that word, go back to Essential Graphics. So for this one, I want to highlight captions, and I want to change the color to, I do actually memorize. I want to take out the stroke for this one. Yeah, there you go. And that's it. I know it's kind of tedious because I do it manually, but it works for me, so I stick with it. Now you've got other options such as auto captions inside Premiere Pro and CapCut. There are auto captions there as well. You also have softwares and services such as Descript that gives you auto captions. So you've got a lot of things to choose from. And this is how I make captions for my videos. If that ever changes, maybe I'll make an update video. But for now, if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna get to it as soon as I figure out how to screen record on Windows.